we are going to learn how to propagate something a little bit different. My name is Priscille Joseph, wellness designer, and I love to propagate because it's the most easiest, most rewarding way to grow your plant collection. So you're going to start by these clean cutting shears. Now again, I'm using children's scissors. Every time I propagate with children, I use children's scissors to practice safety, and it's a little bit more feasible around their hands. Now I don't cut paper with this specifically for propagation. So now we're going to look around. You want to make sure that your tree is fairly fresh. One thing I want to show you that just came in. How cute. This is stickers of the illustration from my first ABC book of houseplants, and it's now for sale on my website. Now let's get back into it. So I took some cuttings from our Christmas tree. We have a balsam fir, and I'm going to try 2 different methods of propagation. Now, some people have attested that it works better in soil, but I'm going to try water propagation. So I have a few cuttings here, and what you're going to start by doing is cutting the bottom leaves. There we go. There we go. And so I have something like this. The same concept, we have some nodes here, so I'm going to try to cut these. Now, some people dip this in rooting hormone. You can also dip it in honey. And I love dipping in honey because when you're propagating with children, it's a healthy and natural way to propagate. So I want to try to remove as many leaves as possible off the branch since this is going to be submerged in water. Thank you to Very Plants who sent me a Molly succulent and a cactus mix. I will be using the Propagating mix to grow my balsam fir. One thing I love about Very Plants is that they are soilless. All their potting mix is absolutely soilless and has different horticultural mediums, which is excellent for drainage and has tremendous benefit to the plant health and root health. Okay, so what I'm going to try with this one is a greenhouse effect. So I'm going to put some saran wrap on the top and tie it with an elastic. And that's another day of propagation with Priscille. See you tomorrow.